Keep a beach day in your heart, for when the clouds are at their darkest, you can imagine the shining sun burn your troubles away, leaving scraps to be eaten by the gulls. Let the waves become your heartbeat as they lap gently against the shore. Each golden grain of sand is a happy memory, guaranteed to make you smile again. It would not count as a daydream as you splash happily about in the sea. Just a reminder that good times were had, and they can be brought back to be enjoyed again. Allow your days to become happier as you continue through your life, and when the skies get dark, you can always remember the beach day you keep in your heart.